Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine 2a, that is about number 1 minus number 2 sine a square, and sine 2a, that is about 2 sine a cosine 8. So this one, I will put this one cone here, and we have 1 minus number 2 sine of s over 2 square. This one we change by this one. So this one, that is about sine of number 2 multiplied by s over 2. So we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. 1 minus 1 we cancel. Now we just have only number 2 sine of s over 2 square. This one we have number 4 sine of s over 2 to the power over of 4. Now we need to simplify number 2 sine of s over 2. Next, number 2, I will put this one cone here. So this one we can put like this. So we have the formula in here. This one equals to number 1 when s approaches to number 0. So this one you got number 1. But s approaches to number 0, we put number 0 cone here. And this one you got number 0. This one we have number 1. So the final answer that is equals to number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.